Alright, here's the amplifier. It's a SHP1 Code A, which is the early version of the SHPs. Has a lot of issues with it. Not excited because it should have had an SHP3 amp in it. Taking a look at it, it looks like it's all original, except for maybe a couple of capacitors that have been changed out. That one looks like it's already blowing. I can't tell without lifting this board up to see if they've actually put the jumper wires they're supposed to on this. I'm just not real excited about this amp. I'm going to put it in and I'm going to try it with a dim bulb tester, and we'll see if it can even fire up. Alright, so I just hung this in here on these two hinges. It's like a door. Now I'm just going to attach the wires. One thing on this, just because I'm a little leery, I'm going to go ahead and use a dim bulb tester. But I'm going to go ahead and attach the wires to show you how that works. Alright, so I've attached all the wires, but rather than plugging the amplifier back in the back where it goes, I've plugged it into something called a dim bulb tester. I made this out of pieces I had around and about. Basically what it is it's a light bulb that is in line with the amplifier. So when I've got this plugged into a 3-wire outlet. So if the amplifier has a short, when you turn this on, the light's going to glow very brightly. If the amplifier does not have a short, which is what I'm hoping, there's no problems with it, then it'll light up briefly while it's charging the capacitors. Then it should go to a very dim state. One thing I want to tell you, when I first did this on a different jukebox, when I first was learning, I tested this on an amplifier that was just sitting on my bench. That's, I've learned, not correct. You need to have speaker wires attached to it, so to give it a load, because it has to have a load. So that's why these speaker wires, because these wires go to the speakers. So, ready, set. Did you see that? It's a very brief one, and then it's out. Turn that off, and you heard a little sound from the speakers, and the click, and the relay. Ready, set, one more time. Yep, everything seems to be okay on this. Alright, well, I've had it on with the dim bulb tester for, I don't know, 5 minutes now, and that should give it enough time to form the old capacitors in it. So I'm going to go ahead and unplug this, plug the whole thing back together, and plug it in the wall and see if it works.